Use a brush to apply Pandser bonding adhesive to the edge and the upstand. This ready-to-use contact glue ensures an elastic and waterproof connection. Allow the contact glue to tack dry and fasten the EPDM roof cladding up to the rim. Work from the center towards the corner. Place the roof cladding over the edge. Use the silicone roller to ensure a proper connection. Mark the EPDM roof cladding using the Pandser marker on the inside of the roof edge. Use the special EPDM scissors to cut the roof cladding round the end. Grab the inner corner and fold it over the edge. Mark the EPDM roof cladding at the inner side of the roof edge. Cut the marking and round the end again. The advantage of cutting is that only 2 layers of EPDM are folded together in the corner. Use a roller to apply Pandser bonding adhesive to the edge and the upstand on the other side. Allow the contact glue to tack dry and first fasten the inner corner. Then fasten the EPDM roof cladding up to the rim. Work from the center towards the corner. Apply Pandser EPDM adhesive and sealant within the marking for a waterproof result. Tightly press the corners of the EPDM. Remove the kit beads to ensure a tight finish. Cut off the excess material up to 1 centimeter of the roof edge. Now you can fold the material over the edge to provide a waterproof result. Check out www.pandser.com for the full range and points of sale.